We know you're in there!
Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Darrell! Give us back our doors!
No!
Seriously? Boxman teams up with Professor Venomous and this was the best he could do? This barely qualifies as an act of villainy.
Nuh-uh! Without these doors, little squirrels will come into the bodega and eat all your food!
Darrell! You and your creepy bio upgrades are going down!
K.O, no, we can't risk damaging the doors.
I know you're right.
Later, losers!
After him! Oh no! It's a trap! Rad! Enid!
Really, Rad?
It may be mean, but it's also effective.
Did we stop Darrell?
No. But we sure did pass out. And we sure did wake up in this room with no windows, no doors, and no way out.
Also, there's no Wi-Fi.
What? That's impossible! Come on, guys. I'm sure we can find an escape.
Check every little nook and cranny. There's gotta be a secret panel or switch somewhere.
Switch!
Nothing. Any other ideas?
Maybe we'll just have to smash our way out!
Yeah! Smash, smash, smash!
Hello, all. Would you mind opening up for us?
Yeah! Oh.
Open, sesame. Shh, take your time.
It's blast-proof!
Who knew Boxman would defeat us with a stinking box?
I gotta hand it to him. It took uncharacteristic restraint not to try this evil box-related plan earlier.